to my channel. If you're a old subscriber, thank you for coming back, and if you're a new subscriber on my channel or you just decided to click on my video, thank you for clicking on this video and you're welcome to Msleboozlive. So this is literally my first video of the year, and I'm just wondering, like, is it February yet? Like, is it March? Is it April? Like, is it not summer yet? Because is it just me? Yeah, but January is taking forever to end. Like, we've been in January for the past 4 months, like literally for the past 4 months. But I'm just gonna say Happy New Year to you guys, and I hope you guys are having a fantastic New Year so far. So this is basically my first video of the year. As you guys can figure out by the title, I'm basically going to be showing you the new makeup revolution Conceal and Define concealer, and I've been hearing so many good reviews about this concealer, and I was like, I need to get my hands on it. For those of you that don't know what Makeup Revolution brand is, Makeup Revolution is basically a drugstore brand where you could purchase them from Superdrug in store, which is in the UK, or on the website, which I believe is worldwide, and also you could get them at tambeauty.com. I'll leave all the link in the description box. So they basically came out with 18 shades, and when I saw the shades, the range of shades they've got, I was like, wow, they actually put a lot of work into it. Because nowadays, yeah, some brands, especially top brands, they're coming up with shades and they're only coming out with 3 shades for people of color. So I feel like Makeup Revolution being their first launch of this concealer, they came out with 18 shades. I'll put a swatch of the shade up, and as you guys can see, from C1 to C10 is basically from light to fair shades, and from C10 to C18 is basically medium to dark shade. To me, that's very good, and that's being considerate the fact that, you know, people have different undertones and the people have different shades. So what I did was I picked up 4 shades. So I picked up C12, C13, C16 and C17. C12 and C13 is the highlight color, and C16 to C17 is what I'm going to use for contour. So I'm going to swatch them for you guys to see, then we can figure out what shade I'm going to be. So this is C12, which I feel like will be a good shade for my highlight, and this is C13, which is very close to my skin color. C16, which is quite warm. This is C16 and it's quite warm, so I'm thinking this is what I'm going to use for my contour, because I don't really like that ash contour look. And this is C17, and C17 is that it has like a gray undertone to it, and it looks like it's gonna be very very dark for me to highlight with. So I think I'm gonna go with C12 for my highlight color and C16 for my contour. But can we just talk about the packaging? Like, the packaging is so pretty. It has like a rose gold sticker around there, and there's a rose gold cover to it, and the wand, wow, the wand is so big, and I feel like it's gonna apply the products into your skin very well. Based on what I read on the website, the concealer claims to have a full coverage to cover your blemishes, dark circles, any discoloration on your face, and there's also a long wear that gives you a matte finish but does not settle into your pores. I always have that problem with some of my concealer, like the Kevin O'Connor concealer, setting into my pores, but this claims not to do that. So I'm kind of like intrigued to see if it's actually gonna do what it says. So enough of my rambling, let's get into this video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows, because that's what I do first when I'm doing my makeup, and I will be right back. So now I've done my brows. Excuse if my brows are just looking a bit icky haga. I'm growing them out, so it's kind of hard for them to be looking like twins right now. But anyways, moving on to the face, I'm gonna prime my face using my Becca Ever Matte Primer. And the foundation I'm gonna be using is the Lancome Tint Ultra 24-Hour Foundation, and so to highlight my face, because I'm not sure what shade I want to use to highlight, I'm going to first apply C13 just to see how that is going to look on my face. Yeah, that's basically going to blend in into my skin as my foundation shade, as you guys can see. Yeah. Or what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix it with the C12. I mean, I could use this on a regular day if I want a natural highlight look. Then I feel like this is good for a natural highlight. I feel then this is good for a natural highlight, but if you're going for that bright highlight look, then this shade will not do it for you. So I'm gonna go in with C12 and just apply this on it. So I've blended the concealer and I must say it's giving me a very nice subtle finish. It's giving me a very nice finish, and it's matte but not too matte. It's still giving me that healthy looking skin, and I really love the way it looks on my skin. It's not really settling into my pores. I really like it. So this is C16. I'm gonna use C16 first as a highlight shade, to contour. I think it blends in very well. Yeah. So now everything is all blended in, and I really love this look. Like the way the contour is giving me a very subtle finish. It's not giving me that ash contour look. I really like it. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna set my face with the CMA's No Color Setting Powder. Probably looking a bit crazy. To set the cream contour area, I'm going to be using my NYX Highlight Pro Contour Palette, and I'm going to be taking this dark shade right here to contour, to set the cream contour area. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to use my Iman Press Powder in F Dark. I'm going to use that to blend in the setting powder on my face. I don't use it to dust it away, I just use it to blend it in. So what I like to do at this point is basically use a Fix Plus or any setting spray to basically set in my face and take any powdery look off my face. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to finish up my face, and I'll be right back for you guys to see the finished look. So guys, this is the finished look, and I really love the way my skin is looking. It's actually the concealer underneath my my highlight is actually giving me a very natural, glowing, healthy look. I really like the way my face is looking. In terms of if it's like settling into my pores, so far so good. It's actually not settling into my pores, it's just kind of blow my pores away, and my face looks very smooth. I really like this concealer, and the fact that it works with my long wear mattifying foundation as well, that really makes me happy as well and satisfied. So what I would really say about this concealer is the fact that it's affordable. You can never like go wrong with an affordable concealer, especially secondly if you have a very full coverage. This concealer have a full coverage, and also it gives you a very mattifying finish but not too matte. So if you have a dry skin or combination to oily skin, this is definitely going to work for you, because I've got oily skin, and I know this is gonna work for me based on what I've seen so far. So I would say you should go for this concealer. In terms of the shades, it does have different range of shades, and also they're coming out with more shades to make the shades up to 25. But at the moment, I would say from C12 to C13, in between, there's meant to be a shade in between C12 and C13, if that makes sense. So C13 shouldn't be C13, so probably that should be C14. I don't know if you guys are trying to get what I'm trying to say, because for example, if you're lighter than me, you will probably use C12, that's your highlight color, but C12 is too light for me, and C13 is too dark for me for eyelash. So if you guys get what I'm trying to say, so there's meant to be a shade in between C12 and C13, so probably that's why they're coming out with more shades. So we can't wait to see what makeup revolution, what shades you guys are coming out with. And yes, I hope you guys find this video very helpful. If you do, don't forget to give this video a massive big thumbs up, and also if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I think it's down here or down there, I'm not sure, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.